In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Instagram QR code. Now to get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Instagram on your device and sign in into your account. Instagram QR code is a QR code that you can generate for your profile, which will allow you to easily be found by your friends by scanning your QR. So go ahead and head over to your profile. On your profile, you'll be able to find this share profile button beside the edit profile button. So go ahead and hit on that share profile button to be able to find your QR code. So as you can see in here, you'll be able to find your QR code and you'll be able to change the background of this QR code into emoji, photo, and into gradient color background. You can change the emoji of your background by clicking on your background, and this will pop up on your screen. So you can simply select from this various emojis available on Instagram. Once you have finalized the background of your QR code, you can simply share your profile by clicking on the share profile button. This will allow you to share your profile on different social media platforms available on your device. You can also copy the link to your profile and send it manually to your friends, and download your QR code on your device and send the image of your QR code to your friends individually. And that is how you can simply generate a QR code on Instagram.